In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out in Gemini app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and what each sign-out option means, so you can confidently wrap up a session, especially on a shared device. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Gemini by typing gemini.google.com into the address bar and pressing Enter. This is the official site for accessing Gemini in your browser. Any modern browser works fine. If the page doesn't load, double-check your internet connection and the URL spelling. You should land on the Gemini home or chat interface. Next, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile picture or avatar. This may be your photo if you've set one, or just a colored circle with the first letter of your account name. That avatar is your account menu. Click it once to open a small drop-down panel. If you don't see an avatar at all, it usually means you're not currently signed in which case, you're effectively already logged out on this browser. In the drop-down menu, you'll see the option labeled Sign Out. Click this to log out of the account you're currently using with Gemini. If you manage more than one Google account in the same browser, you may also see Sign Out of All Accounts. Choose this if you want to log out every account that's signed in on this browser, not just the one you're using for Gemini. That option is helpful on shared computers when you want to make sure no other signed-in accounts remain accessible. Depending on your settings, you might be asked to confirm. Go ahead and accept if prompted. After signing out, you'll typically be returned to a screen prompting you to sign in again, or to the Gemini landing page where you can choose to sign back in later. This confirms the sign-out worked. If you use multiple accounts, remember that selecting Sign Out affects only the active one, while Sign Out of All Accounts clears them all from this browser session. That's all there is to it. Open Gemini in your browser, click your profile avatar in the top right, and choose either Sign Out or Sign Out of All Accounts based on what you need. Logging out helps protect your information, especially when you're using a public or shared computer. When you're ready to come back, just return to gemini.google.com and sign in again with your account to pick up where you left off.